We're here today at Grove Level Baptist Church 17th Annual Car Show. To me, it's one of the best car shows that you can possibly attend. The atmosphere here is just absolutely wonderful, and look forward to seeing all these beautiful cars today and doing a little bit of video, and I hope everybody enjoys it. Good looking Trans Am. It's a WS6 car. Ooh, nice. One of my favorites always, the Challenger. It's always been one of my favorite wheels. This year, being with the COVID, it's been real hard for people to sponsor and do car shows. I'm just thankful that we can all get together and enjoy this day and enjoy these beautiful cars and trucks. Nice little Fairlane.
It was a big girl phone.
289 car. Got a little extras on the inside. Sharp.
We've had to learn a lot of stuff,
This has always been a favorite of mine. 64 Galaxie. I think this is it's an XL. XL had the bucket seats in it and the little speaker in between the seats, kind of like a GTR. Well, at least the speaker in the center. This is a 2.4 barrels. I can't tell if that's a small block. I believe it's a small block in this one. Yep, it is 351 probably. Yeah, my dad had a black one with a red interior. This is a 67, 289? 289, all original. Very sharp, very, very sharp. Very sharp, original car. Shop, really sharp El Camino, red, white, and blue. All American, yes sir. Nice looking Sierra. Of course, always beautiful Chevelle. Very, very nice. 1970. Got a LS1 motor in it. Always love those stickers. Sharp looking Charger. This is the 2018 Dodge Charger SXT Blacktop Edition. Very sharp. And have a Matchbox car to match it. Sharp. It's got some people that's attending the car show. Looks like they might be asleep. Nothing like helpers. I need me some of those. Little Nova. Another little sharp red 289 Mustang. Very sharp. Love the steering wheel in this car too. Very, very sharp. Oh look, it's a 4-speed car. That's always nice. To see if I could zero in on this. This is what this car looked like a year and a half ago. And oh, by the way, it's not a Coyote motor. No, it is a lot of LX fans will be tickled to death, no doubt. But oh my goodness, what a car. He built this car in his driveway. Him and his dad were telling me about it. Sharp. Very sharp. He said, I just got a cam in it, yeah, with an LS motor. Yeah, right. That's about all you need, really. Very sharp.
And home repairs for seniors in homebound in Whitfield County area.
Some good-looking cars.
Also, on October,
definitely an eye catcher is this
17th,
little Jeep.
You don't have anything to do that afternoon.
I would guess it's got some big horsepower.
Wolf Street in Cohutta, Georgia.
Big old giant turbo
Have a big car show.
on top of that motor.
Pharaoh Cruising. Pharaoh Cruising.
Yeah, I'd say this thing would be a handful.
And if you haven't eaten at the Red Wolf Grill,
definitely need a parachute for this car. Woo! Oh my goodness. Very sharp truck. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's got the fifth wheel in the back. Sharp. And it's a dually, I believe. It could be a... Yep, it is a dually. Very sharp truck. With air ride suspension. Oh man. Look at that big turbo. Very sharp, very sharp.
No, he's thinking his 18.8 it is. I mean, you look at what sells. Yeah. It is.
Love it.
Got drugs and eating.
Nice C10.
Oh, yeah, light it up. Yeah. In 2 months, you still got $100,000 sitting there.
Sharp. Nice old truck. Good looking little Nova. Beautiful street rod. Very well done. Beautiful Harley too. $103 cubic inch. I think this is a 69. This could be a 68. I'm not positive about it. My brother had one. It was yellow with a white top, black interior. 396 car. Let's see. 4-speed car. Sharp. Another sharp old truck. Some sharp old trucks.
It's some of the best ice cream you've ever had. It is good. It's just off of the freezer. So go up under the portico and tell them you want some ice cream.
Beautiful paint. Oh, look. Late model motor. Turboed. I'd say this truck's very fast. Look, it's a scrambler. It's an SC. Came factory with a Hurst 4-speed. Nice. .390 cubic inch motor. It's a factory car. It's the way it came from the factory.